Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is Ohm's law. Earlier we have discussed about potential difference and potential. Ohm's law gives the relationship between current I and potential difference V. So as per Ohm's law, at constant temperature, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. Suppose if I is the current flowing in a conductor when we apply the potential difference V, so we may write it I is directly proportional to V or V is directly proportional to I. V अगर हम इस proportional को खत्म करेंगे तो V is equal to or I. Here we have used a constant R. R means resistance of a conductor. Resistance actually means opposition to the flow of conduct. Resistance resistance of a conductor depends upon the nature of that conductor or substance, length of that conductor or area of cross section. Length क्या है, area of cross section क्या है, and temperature of that conductor. So we may write V by I is equal to R or I is equal to V divided by R. So here we can draw some conclusion. For example, I have written I is directly proportional to V. It means if V is doubled, अगर हम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को डबल करेंगे करंट भी डबल हो जाएगा. अगर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को हम रिड्यूस करेंगे, हाफ करेंगे, तो जो करंट फ्लो होगा वो भी हाफ हो जाएगा. सेम इज द केस I इज इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शनल टू R. यानी जितनी रेजिस्टेंस होगी, अगर रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा होगी तो करंट कम होगा, अगर रेजिस्टेंस कम होगी तो करंट ज़्यादा होगा. सो वी कैन से इफ़ R इज डबल्ड, अगर R को हम डबल करेंगे तो I गेट्स आउट, तो I का वैल्यू जो वो हाफ हो जाएगा. अगर R हाफ करेंगे तो I डबल हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन ड्रा ए कंक्लूजन दैट more the resistance, less will be the current, and if less is the resistance, more will be the current flowing through a circuit. Now graph between V and I. Graph between V and I. It has been found that graph between V and I is a straight line. This graph shows that we can compare two quantities, only those two quantities which are directly proportional to one another. Here V and I is direct. It shows that I is directly proportional to potential difference V. This is the graph between V and I. This graph shows that I is directly proportional to V, so the graph line is straight line. Now experiment to verify Ohm's law. How we can verify the Ohm's law? We shows that V upon I for a conductor. If we draw the graph between V and I for a special conductor, which is a straight line. For this we have to demonstrate an experiment. For this we have to take different instruments in order to perform this experiment. This is the voltmeter and this is the resistance or bulb across which we will see what will happen to the current and potential difference. And this is the ammeter which is used to measure the current. This is the battery and these are the connecting wires. This is the switch and this is the resistor which we call the variable resistance, and this is the sliding contact. In order to verify the graph between V and I, whether it is straight line or not, we have to perform this experiment. Suppose we have a piece of resistance or which is connected here and we want to verify. We want to verify Ohm's law for it, that we have want to show that the conductor obeys Ohm's law. For this we have to take a battery, switch, resistor, ammeter, voltmeter and some connecting wires as shown in the diagram. To start the experiment, the circuit is completed by pressing the switch. On pressing the switch, the current starts flowing through this circuit and across this conductor R. At that time, the current is shown by ammeter A and voltage is shown by voltmeter V. This current, the resistor is initially adjusted in such a way that small current may pass through this circuit, and we will find the ratio of V and I. Now we will change slightly the sliding contact and we will decrease the resistance step by step, and at every step we will note the ratio between V and I, and after plotting a graph we will find that the graph between V and I is a straight line.